Well, good Tuesday afternoon to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a good Tuesday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you over here in East Central Mississippi, cold. It is in the lower 40s right now, and it's supposed to drop down into the 20s tonight. It was actually really cold this morning, showing about 19, 20 degrees in the car going to work. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do a little unboxing. Give me a second, we finna get off in this shop and that's what we finna do. Got that wood burner going. I'm here to tell you, Lord of mercy, we're gonna get this shop warmed up real quick. So a company reached out to me by the name of, I believe it's HeimVision. So this is what they sent out to me, made by HeimVision. It is a smart Wi-Fi camera. The model is the Mate 1, and it's a 2K camera. So I figured, let's go on and unbox this and look at it together and get it hooked up and see what it'll do. So let's do that. All right, let's unbox this thing and see what it looks like. Pretty excited about this because I've always wanted to get one of these cameras. I just never got around to getting one. It's pretty cool that this company reached out to me. Packaged pretty good. All right. Okay, I really like that. They even have some cushioning on the camera for shipping. Let's see what else comes in this box. Okay, you got some mounting hardware. Oh, really cool. It's got a power pack, a charging hub, and a USB-C, I guess, thing. Okay, cool. Really like that. This camera actually came with this. Okay, and it came with a user's manual, which we are definitely gonna have to use. Well, I guess the really cool features about this camera from the reading that I've been doing, of course, it's a ultra high definition 2K camera, which is really nice, and it's got a pan and tilt function. I believe one of the functions that you can get with it, I have to read up on the instructions, is human body detection, maybe motion detection, with optional monitoring range. It also has two-way voice, so you could actually talk to the person through this camera through the app, which we're gonna check out here in a minute. It's got 24/7 uninterrupted recording. I believe it's got a way to actually add some memory into here. That's pretty neat. According to my reading, it could be used with Alexa. I don't use Alexa because, I don't know, don't need it over here. This is supposedly IP65 waterproof. That I don't know. I don't know if I would put this outside, but we'll try it out and see what it does. And it's got, I believe this thing swivels too. Let's dive off into the instructions, plug it up, and let's see if we could get this thing going. I'm gonna plug it in. And let's follow some instructions. Connect your camera to the power through the micro USB port. This little thing right here should turn blue whenever it's time. Let's see, I have an Android phone, so I actually found the HeimStart app. We're gonna install it.
Camera start.
Oh, cool, it talks to you too.
Wait for connection.
Oh, wait for a connection. Okay.
Wait for connection.
You're gonna have to hold on, sister, because I'm trying to open this app up thing. Okay. Duh, I gotta put in my dang Wi-Fi password. There we go. Hope you can see that. That's pretty cool. Took a minute to get it connected. Look there. Guess I'm just gonna have to play around with this camera and see what it does. I'm kind of thinking I may put it in that window over there, just so I could see what's going on, because I can connect to the Wi-Fi over here from work. So if I set up the motion detection on there and something comes up the driveway or in the yard, I'll be able to look at it. So still have a little bit of learning to do about this thing. Setup was okay. Maybe I was doing something wrong, probably. But the picture on it, the high definition picture is really, really cool. So this is what I came up with. This is the camera, the Mate A1 camera. All I did was I got 2 pieces of wood and screwed them together just so I have enough height where this camera can actually look outside onto my property. Look at there. Let's check it out. Got it running to a power source. I just have an extension cord that I use, small extension cord that I use to charge my phone. Let's peep it out and see how it works. Hope y'all can see that. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Just a little unboxing of the HeimVision Mate 1 2K high definition Wi-Fi camera. We're gonna see what it does. I still have to play around with a bunch of the settings and reread the owner's manual pretty good just to see all the functions that it has. But I think this old boy is simple, so it's gonna be real simple. Just gonna put it in the window just so I can see things coming onto the property. I don't know, we'll see. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Tuesday, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like messing around with a Wi-Fi camera. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Be you, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.